Forget smart plugs and phone stands. These 18 gadgets don't sit quietly. They move, react, and look like they escaped a sci-fi movie. A chess robot that plays real pieces on a real board, a wearable that beams a screen onto your palm, titanium that glows for 25 years with zero batteries, no filler, every gadget earned its spot, and the last one? You'll rewind the second it ends just to figure out how it's real. If you want this every week, hit subscribe now. Let's go. Number 18. Shark BlastBoss. Most people think of a blower as something loud, clunky, and only useful for leaves in the yard. The Shark BlastBoss erases that entirely. This cordless blower is built with enough power to handle cars, garages, and home messes, but it looks more like a futuristic tool than anything resembling a typical cleaning device. No cords trailing across the driveway, no struggling with a gas-powered machine that smells like a lawnmower. For anyone who has ever tried blowing debris out of car vents, garage corners, or tight tool crevices with a vacuum that simply wasn't built for the job, this is the gadget that finally gets it right. Number 17. SpinTi Keychain. This one looks deceptively simple until the lights go out. The SpinTi Keychain is made from titanium and uses tritium glow technology, a self-powered light source that glows continuously for 25 years without a single battery or charge cycle ever required. It also doubles as a premium fidget spinner, solid, weighted, satisfying to hold. The kind of object that gets picked up off a desk by literally everyone who walks past it, turned over a few times, and immediately questioned. No batteries, no charging, just a quiet glow that outlives most other gadgets on this entire list combined. Number 16. Govee Floor Lamp. A regular lamp lights a room. This one transforms it completely. The Govee Floor Lamp projects moving ripple effects across the ceiling, a dynamic, ever-shifting light show that turns a static room into something that feels alive. App and Alexa control means the entire mood of a space changes with a voice command or a few taps. For anyone setting up a gaming room, a home theater corner, or just wanting their living room to feel like something out of a design magazine, this lamp does more in 5 minutes than most lighting setups manage in a full renovation. Number 15. Anti-gravity. A1 drone. Most drones require a learning curve before they're even fun to fly. The anti-gravity A1 skips that entirely. Point and fly control means there's no complicated joystick mastery required before getting genuinely impressive footage. An 8K 360-degree camera captures everything around it simultaneously, and dedicated goggles provide a fully immersive real-time view as if the person flying it is actually airborne. Compact enough to bring anywhere, capable enough to produce footage that looks like it came from a professional film crew. Number 14. 4D Maxx Luggage. Packing for a trip almost always ends the same way, sitting on a suitcase trying to force the zipper closed. The 4D Maxx Luggage solves that with specialized airtight compression compartments that effectively triple the available storage space inside the same size case. What looks like a normal carry-on from the outside holds what most people would expect to need a checked bag for. For frequent travelers, anyone who overpacks out of habit, or those who simply refuse to check a bag if they can avoid it, this is the suitcase that quietly makes every trip less stressful. Number 13. Meeting Owl 3. Video calls with multiple people in one room have a familiar problem. The camera stays locked on one angle while half the conversation happens off-screen. The Meeting Owl 3 fixes that with a 360-degree camera and microphone system that automatically detects who is speaking and zooms in on them in real time. The result feels less like a stationary webcam and more like having an advanced telepresence robot sitting at the table. For hybrid teams, remote heavy workplaces, and anyone tired of awkward video calls where half the room is invisible, this changes the entire meeting experience. Number 12. PettiChat AI Pet Translator. Every pet owner has wondered the same thing at some point: what is actually going on in their dog or cat's head. The PettiChat is a collar-mounted device that analyzes barks, meows, and behavior patterns to translate them into human-understandable emotional states. Hungry, anxious, playful, alert. It's the kind of gadget that naturally invites a conversation the moment another pet owner notices it, because everyone wants to know if it actually works the moment they hear what it claims to do. 12 gadgets down, a drone that flies itself, luggage that triples its own storage, a blower that makes garage cleanup look effortless. The second half is where this list gets genuinely strange, in the best possible way. Still coming, an exoskeleton that reduces leg fatigue while walking, a wearable device that projects an entire interface onto the palm of a hand, a robot that physically reacts to its surroundings with gestures, and the number one gadget that most people will not believe is real until they see it moving moving on screen. If this list has been different from the usual recycled tech content, subscribe right now, turn on notifications. New discoveries go up every single week. Drop in the comments which gadget so far has been the most unbelievable. The most interesting answers always come from that question. 6 more to go. Let's keep going. Number 11. Waistfan summer heat has one consistent complaint. There's no good way to actually cool down while still moving around. The waistfan clips directly onto a waistband and uses semiconductor cooling technology to blast cool air underneath clothing continuously. No bulky design, no holding anything, just constant relief while walking, working outdoors, or commuting in the heat. It looks unusual the first time it's seen. It makes complete sense the first time it's worn. Number 10. Iris Green. HUD cyclists have spent years glancing down at handlebar-mounted phones to check navigation, taking their eyes off the road every single time. The Iris Green HUD eliminates that entirely by projecting navigation and ride data directly into the cyclist's field of view, functioning similarly to fighter jet heads-up display technology, except built for a daily commute instead of a cockpit. Speed, directions, distance, all visible without ever looking away from the road ahead. Number 9. PowrKnee Exoskeleton. Walking, hiking, and climbing all place repeated stress on the knees that builds up gradually over a day, a hike, or a lifetime. The PowrKnee is a wearable robotic exoskeleton that provides additional torque support directly to the knee joints, reducing fatigue significantly during extended walking or climbing. It looks like something built for a soldier in a science fiction film, and it functions almost exactly the way it looks. This is the kind of gadget that draws stares and immediate questions the very first time it's worn in public. Number 8. CASEGUIDER. Smart InkBadge. A badge or ID has always been a static, unchanging object until now. The Smart InkBadge uses e-ink display technology to let the photo, ID information, or digital cards displayed on it be changed instantly through a connected app. One device, infinite identities, designs, or display configurations depending entirely on what's needed in the moment. It blends fashion with functional technology in a way that makes a simple badge feel like a piece of wearable tech instead of an afterthought clipped to a lanyard. Number 7. EBO Max FamilyBot. Most home robots do one specific job and nothing else. The EBO Max FamilyBot does considerably more. This autonomous mobile companion patrols the home, follows pets around to keep an eye on them, and interacts directly with family members through its mobile presence. It's less a single-purpose gadget and more a constant, intelligent presence moving through the house. For anyone who has ever wanted a second pair of eyes on a pet or a home while away, this is the closest thing to having exactly that without hiring anyone. Number 6. SwitchBot Onero H1. Humanoid robots have existed in demos and research labs for years. Getting one onto a wheeled base that actually performs useful tasks at home is a different story entirely. The SwitchBot Onero H1 features an upper structure with functional arms and hands mounted on a mobile wheeled base, capable of performing household chores and organizing items independently. Watching a small robotic figure physically pick something up and put it away is the kind of moment that makes guests stop talking mid-sentence. This is what household robotics looks like when it finally moves past concept demos and into something genuinely functional. Number 5. SenseRobot Chess. Mini chess against a computer has always meant staring at a screen and clicking a mouse. The SenseRobot Chess Mini changes the entire experience by physically moving pieces on a real board, using a built-in robotic arm, creating a live match experience against an AI opponent that actually exists in physical space rather than behind glass. For anyone who plays chess, anyone who used to play and stopped, or anyone who has simply never seen a robotic arm move a pawn with quiet mechanical precision, this gadget turns a familiar game into something that feels entirely new again. Number 4. Solar AI Live Speaker. Most speakers are designed to be ignored visually while music plays. The Solar AI Live Speaker does the opposite entirely. A built-in display shows animated digital characters that move and react in real time to whatever music is playing, turning a simple speaker into a genuinely captivating visual listening experience. It's part audio device, part living artwork that responds to sound. People don't just listen to music near this speaker, they watch it. Number 3. ClawStage. A desk companion robot sounds like a novelty until it's actually seen in motion. The The ClawStage uses a rotating cube-style form combined with an embodied AI persona that physically turns and faces whoever is speaking to it, making it feel less like a static device and more like an active presence participating in the workspace around it. It brings an AI assistant out from behind a screen and into a physical form that reacts, turns, and responds with genuine presence sitting right there on a desk. Number 2. Loona Deskmate. Most desk gadgets sit there quietly doing one specific job. Loona Deskmate does something different entirely. It uses a connected iPhone as its actual brain, giving it expressive movement, reactive personality, and genuine character that makes an entire desk feel interactive in a way nothing else on this list quite matches. It tilts, it reacts. It feels less like a gadget sitting on a desk and more like something that's actually paying attention to what's happening around it. Number 1. Humane AI Pin. This is the gadget mentioned at the very start. Here's exactly why it earned the top spot. The Humane AI Pin is a completely screenless wearable that attaches magnetically directly to clothing. No phone, no display, nothing to hold or look at in the traditional sense. Instead, a laser projection system displays a fully interactive interface directly onto the palm of a hand on command. Voice commands and gesture controls handle everything an AI assistant needs to do, without a single screen ever being involved in the entire process. It looks and functions like something pulled directly out of a science fiction film, except it's sitting on a chest right now, fully real and fully functional. 18 gadgets. Every single one chosen because it looks, moves, or functions like nothing else most people have ever seen before. Which one was the most unbelievable? Drop it in the comments. Every single response gets read. If this video showed something that genuinely didn't seem possible before pressing play, hit like. It helps more people find this instead of the same recycled content already everywhere. Not subscribed yet? Do it right now. New futuristic discoveries go up every single week, found and tested so the most interesting gadgets never stay hidden.